Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So today's lesson 2, my 3 years Forex trading journey, my experiences, what I have learned, and I decided to do 30 lessons or 30 things that I have learned, and I know these things will really help you. And because I didn't want to do a one long video and you'll lose count, you won't even pay attention, I decided just to do with the lesson. So whichever wherever you are and you're watching me, you can get motivated, you can get encouraged, you can know you're not alone. And yeah, so lesson number 2, guys, forex is hard. Forex is hard if you're the firstborn. What do I mean by that? Actually, I came to realize if it is you in your family, like you have never heard about forex, your family has never heard about forex, your relatives have never heard of forex, your grandmother or your grandfather, like you don't have, like your whole clan, nobody has history about forex, and you're attempting to do forex, it will be hard. But the good thing, being hard does not mean you not make it. Being hard, it just means you're trying something nobody in your clan, nobody in your family, nobody, no relative whatsoever, no one has ever attempted. And you know how everything is when you try for the first time. Of course, you'll get that backlash, you'll get that disappointment. And for me, I won't lie to you, like I don't have history of my family doing forex trading. I do not have any history of my family doing forex trading, and for me it was the hardest thing. Like if I tell you, even today, some of my aunties, my uncles, they don't even know what I do. They like, she's just doing something there on online, so they cannot even understand what I'm still doing. But I know one day they'll come to know what really forex is all about. So what I came to learn, if you know for sure, like you don't have any background of finances, you have to put 10 extra effort, 10 times effort. Why? Because it won't be easy for you. Remember, it's a new territory, you're trying a new thing, you're trying to come and you're trying to come and beat the poverty mindset. And what I can even tell you, you might even have people in your family who are doing trading, but your own family, like your own family, they're in poverty, they have never progressed, they have never like there are some things in your family, like it is not kawaida, it's not like common. If now you try to do forex, and you know forex is a 6 trillion volume traded like industry, and it has a lot of money. So the minute you announce you're going to be a forex trader, let me tell you, you will get all the discouragement, you'll get every kind of discouragement. And because you don't know where to turn to, sometimes many people do give up. This is a time where you give up, guys. And if you're watching me and you know for sure your mom does not have an idea what you do, your dad does not have an idea what you do, your sisters, they cannot even understand, you're with me. Guys, I was in that position, but now I'm glad my whole family, like my immediate family, they support me, sir. My sisters are now trading. My dad, my mom, they are now familiar with forex trading, but it didn't start like that. So what I didn't know is that the minute you are trying to speak that language, let me tell you what happens when you blow account. That pain, if somebody does not understand how forex trading works, even if you tell them you lost money, they'll never comfort you. Actually, they'll start blaming you, they'll start telling you, I told you this thing is a scam, I told you you're gonna lose money, it's better go and look for a job. These people will never understand. That's why I've created community, I've created a Telegram page for traders, I've created a YouTube channel for traders, I've come up with a mentorship program for those who want to pay me to be their mentor. It is not easy. This journey, this journey to be alone, I'm telling you, it is not easy. So for me, my lesson is that if you realize you are alone, look for a system, look like for a club, look for a community, look for a friend who is doing forex, because if it becomes tougher, it is easier to give up. So what I did, I had to work with my husband and work with my sisters for this in this journey. And for in the beginning they could not understand what I was saying, but for me it's me who had the vision, and I tried and I prayed God for them. And up to now, what I can say is that my whole family now, my immediate family, we are now doing forex trading. So when you begin and nobody in your family has a history of forex trading, it will become tough. So be aware. Even if you see like your mom is not understanding your dad, like you blow your account, your sister, your brother, like they can't understand or they call forex a scammer, don't blame them. It's just that this thing, you're the one who has that vision, you're the one who has that gift, you're the one who has the calling, and you cannot convince them in the early stages. You can't. The only thing you can start convincing them is when now you keep being consistent. Even if you fail, even if you fall how many times, you come back, you learn something new, you start listening to other people, you start becoming more and more alert with the way you trade, you become more advanced. So by the time you're trying to tell them, okay, I'm doing forex and it is working for me, now they will come to you. So guys, what I can tell you is that what I learned is that it forex can be lonely. I won't lie to you. There are sometimes it reached a place where I could not now share with my parents again, because there are years that we really lost a lot of money and I could not now share with my parents. Like, I entered in a place where now I'm not sharing with anyone, because they may not, yes, they may understand, but not to extent of understanding. They can now tell you, let go, like this thing is too much. But I'm glad, because I got support. Because at the end of the day, they, like, for me, how I'm wired, I don't need someone to tell me if they're okay for me to do forex or they approve me. For me, I'm not looking for approval. Like, if I decide, I decide. If I say I'm going in, I'm going in. And that's the spirit, guys. Don't wait for to be approved. Why are you waiting to be approved by anyone? Don't wait to be approved by your family, by your members. Forex, I'm telling you, can be a lonely game. But when you start now gaining those profits, and then you start sending your mom the money, you start sending your dad the money, you start buying things in your family, you start doing some things that you could not be able to do. Now they'll be like, okay, we can see now. So don't be discouraged. I know many people are in that stage, and now, because you're ending the year, it's December, you're ending the year, and people are they will look at the goals. What did I do with my life? Many people can get discouraged, but what I can tell you is that if you are the first person, we call it, if you're the firstborn in trading, it is hard. But if you just hold on, this video is to tell you, hold on, because if you hold on, just give it a little. Maybe it's 1 month for your breakthrough, maybe it's 6 months for your breakthrough, maybe by next year, a time like this, you'll be driving that dream car, you'll have bought that land, you'll have gotten what you ever dreamed for. So just hold on and know it becomes hard more so if you are alone in this journey. So the only thing I can tell you is look for a community, look for a Facebook group. There are so many groups that you can join. Look for people who are still doing forex, and then you'll be speaking the same language. So for me, if I can tell someone who is beginning to be like, have someone, a supporting system. For me, I was lucky. I had my sister and I had my husband. So if I blew my account, they were the turning point. So I would look at them and tell them, oh, I messed up again. They would encourage me. So for me, that is what I learned. If I lacked my sister and my husband in this journey, I'm not telling you I could not be here. Maybe I would have given up long time ago. So I thank that system just alone, for them to be there to help me to overcome. There are sometimes I even I could say I'm not going back to trading, and they would encourage me and say, maybe give it time. Maybe you look back and say, you didn't, it's good you didn't give up. So, and they understand and they are trading. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.